Natural or town gas installations can be done as such. You can see here the gas tap, the pressure regulator, and the flexible pipe. We usually ship our rotisseries without pressure regulators, as these are different depending on the country that you're in. What can be seen here is an adjustable pressure regulator called a Maxitrol. The gas can then be turned on with a switch, and regulated by the pressure regulator below it. For an LPG gas installation, the same applies. However, the pressure regulator is usually fitted upon the gas bottle. We would recommend the use of at least 2 bottles in series to keep the pressure at the right amount. And on other units, the same applies, be it natural gas or LPG. This should be indicated just below the gas inlet on the unit. To take the gas pressure of the unit, we will unscrew the little screw that is at the gas inlet. Remove this, and with the gas pressure reader, we will connect it to this hole and turn the gas on. As you can see, we have a reading of 25 millibars. You should take a reading whilst the unit is on and also whilst the unit is off.